guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a new bag from this amazing brand called Teddy Blake. So it's a brand from New York. It's a very high-end designer handbag brand. I just can't wait to open the box and show you what's inside. So before we move forward, I want to say thank you to this amazing fine jewelry brand called Chupi, and they sent me this gold ring and this gold necklace with 3 rings on the chain. It's very simple and elegant. Like a simple tank top like this, you can definitely elevate your look with a piece of gold jewelry. So check out Chupi. I put their link down below in the description box. So this bag is Teddy Blake's Ava Croc Gold 11-inch. So the hardware is gold and the color is white, and the material is like crocodile leather. And you see, this is the bag. So everything is like very premium. I am a big collector of designer bags. I have a lot of Chanel and Louis bags and Gucci bags, and I can tell this is like one of the highest quality handbags I have ever had. I mean, the price is amazingly good. You won't believe it. For a high quality handbag like this, it's under $1,000. It's 38% off. So it's only $445 US. I mean, for the quality, for the excellent service, and I mean, I just fell in love with this brand, Teddy Blake. So let me show you some of the details of this handbag. So the closure is like this, and you can definitely open it. And then when you open it, as you can see, this is the inside. And I have this strap for crossbody use. It's adjustable. You can adjust the length with these buttons. And this is a lock and a key, and you can just put it right here to be like an accessory of this handbag. It's just amazingly beautiful, and I love the details. And it has the logo on it. It says Teddy Blake New York here, and I'll show you the key. It's like this. It's also like gold. So beautiful, so cute. As you can see, there are 2 smaller compartments inside. I can put smaller items here and here. I mean, it's a pretty spacious handbag, and it's very classic. The color and the texture, it goes with a lot of my outfits, and I just love this bag so much. And look at this. You have this small compartment on the back, so you can put more like stuff inside here. So the compartment in the back is a very classic design. I mean, a lot of high-end handbags has this compartment, and it's also like zip closure. And this is logo Teddy Blake New York here again. And also, like, you can see this handle, it's not like a flat handle, it's padded. All the luxury brands, they do padded handle. It's pretty sturdy. I just love it. I think this can hold a lot of heavy stuff. I mean, maybe like my Leica camera and some makeup products, my wallet. For everyday use in this size, this design is just perfect. And I'll show you the bottom. Some studs here just to avoid scratches on the bottom. This is the side. I just love how it makes the handbag like so beautiful, and all those details, the texture, the quality, the touch of it. Like, I just love everything about this handbag. Plus the price is just amazingly good. If you want to own I mean, an affordable luxury handbag, you would definitely consider this brand, Teddy Blake. And they have like different colors, they come in like different sizes. You can check out their website. I put their link down below. I mean, I'm a little bit biased because I'm such a handbag person. I personally like collecting luxury handbags, and I recently fell in love with this color. I bought like a couple white handbags. I just feel like it matches like a lot of my airy, you know, monotone outfits. And this brand makes 10 other colors of the same bag. I mean, there's like so many varieties of colors and designs and sizes on the website. You can definitely check it out. You will find a perfect handbag with an amazing price. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Teddy Blake or this particular design, just leave a comment down below, and I put their link in the the description box. You guys can definitely check it out for yourself. There are like so many more colors and sizes on their website, and you can definitely find something that you're interested in. And make sure you take advantage of their sale, and it's 38% off on this bag right now running on the website. Don't miss out this opportunity. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, use the comment box down below or contact me on Instagram. My Instagram is ChrisHanXoxo. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!